How to get $100 NordVPN promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in NordVPN promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for NordVPN. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that 80% off, 50% off, 30% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it, then click on Redeem at NordVPN. With that, you will be directed to the official website of NordVPN. Now you can check out the different plans of NordVPN and hit towards any of the plan that you want to subscribe to. Select your subscription plan and head towards the checkout page. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your subscription. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for NordVPN. Well, this way you can easily get $100 NordVPN promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.